Best deals.
1. Pressure cooker. Is crafted from food-grade SE204SS body inlaid for durability and safe cooking, has easy-to-clean, ergonomic, and long-lasting handle. Efficient pressure cooking system, maintains optimal pressure for perfect, even cooking every time. Unique gasket ensures durability and reliable sealing. Cooks meals quickly while saving 50% fuel. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Whisk. As a flat whisk, twist is ideal for mixing sauces in low pans or for making gravy in roasting trays. Its silicone-coated steel wires are suitable for non-stick cookware and are ideal for scraping and combining ingredients together, preventing them from burning on the bottom of a pan. With a simple turn of the handle, twist also becomes a highly effective balloon whisk, allowing egg whites to be whipped into ideal peaks. Twist can be easily dismantled for cleaning and, after use, can be closed flat for convenient storage in a drawer. Its silicone wires are heat-resistant up to 270 degrees Celsius. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Snack bowl. Has been beautifully designed to add grace to your dining experience. Easy to bowl clean and wash, they have very exotic silver shining. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Broom holder. Made of high-quality stainless steel, waterproof and rust-proof. Triangle buckle and petal-shaped gear automatically adjust the size to the different thickness of the handles to prevent the object from slipping. Perfect for kitchen, closet, garage, office, ideal for commercial use. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Containers. Keep your edibles fresh and flavors intact with stainless steel containers with lids. The snug fit design ensures that your spices, pulses, and snacks remain moisture-free and delicious, just as you love them. Perfect for both the modern and traditional kitchen, these containers are not just about storage, but also about retaining the goodness of your stored food. With their sleek stainless steel finish, these containers add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Strainer. Works on all cooktops. Heavy Tripoli base ensures even heat and prevents burning even on high power induction. Has lock and pour lid, patent-inspired locking strainer lid. Lock it, tilt it, drain it. Never fumble with a separate colander again. Works for pasta, noodles, rice, anything you need to drain. Has no harmful coatings, no aluminium contamination. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Foil paper cutter. Built-in sliding knife delivers clean, straight cuts in seconds. Concealed blade design improves safety, reduces waste, and makes cutting cling film, foil or baking paper quick and effortless, and is designed to hold plastic wrap roll, aluminum foil, parchment roll, paper towel roll. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Casseroles. Are perfectly sized for preparing meals for small families or intimate gatherings. Built with a tough, die-cast body, the casseroles offer durability and long-lasting performance. The advanced ceramic coating ensures that these casseroles are non-stick. With less oil needed, you can prepare lower-fat, delicious meals for a healthier lifestyle. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Sprouts Maker Glass Jar. Grow fresh and nutritious sprouts easily with this premium Sprouts Maker jar. Designed for proper airflow and quick drainage, the Sprout Maker helps support faster and hygienic sprouting for mung beans, lentils, seeds, and microgreens at home. Made with thick BPA-free glass, the Sprouts Maker glass jar is strong, odor-resistant, and easy to clean. The reusable glass Sprout Maker jar offers a safe and convenient solution for everyday kitchen sprouting needs. Featuring a practical lid with handle, the sprouting jar allows smooth water drainage and balanced ventilation. The smart design of this Sprout Maker jar helps maintain freshness while reducing excess moisture buildup during sprouting. The spacious Sprouts jar is ideal for growing larger batches of sprouts for families in healthy meal preparation. Suitable for beans, legumes, seeds, and microgreens, the Sprout jar glass fits perfectly into modern kitchens. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Cast iron dosa tawa. Delivers superior heat retention for perfectly crisp dosas, soft chapatis and evenly cooked rotis. Its naturally non-stick surface improves with every use, giving authentic traditional flavors ideal for families who prefer chemical-free cooking. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Casserole. The final result is a finely engineered piece of cookware with wonderful properties for cooking. It can be used for cooking, reheating food, serving and storing. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Casserole is designed to have excellent non-stick properties, which means that food is less likely to stick to its surface. This can make cooking and serving dishes easier and more enjoyable. Reduces oil usage. The bowl claims to use 36% less oil when cooking, promoting the preparation of tasty yet healthier dishes. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Lunch bag. Premium insulated design features thick aluminum foil lining with padded insulation to keep food warm or cold for hours, perfect for Indian weather conditions. High-quality food-grade aluminum lining is BPA-free, waterproof, and simple to wipe clean, ideal for messy meals or daily use. Organization includes dual mesh side pockets, 2 front pouches, and an inner cutlery compartment. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Measuring spoon. Simply slide handle to adjust volume measurement, also dismantles for easy cleaning. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Storage box. Crafted from high quality, collapsible material, these transparent storage boxes stack securely and come with magnetic closure. Perfect for organizing shoes or storing daily essentials. Clear multi-bins has a multi-purpose design, ideal for organizing shoes, accessories, or household essentials. You can use it on shelves, under the beds. It is also strong and is collapsible and can easily be assembled, which saves space. They are strongly built and don't lose their shape. Clear multi-bins are also stackable in nature and don't slip off easily, which maximizes space. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Kadhai. Made from 100% natural cast iron, Kadhai is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Enjoy restaurant-like yummy dishes. Versatile cookware that allows you to prepare your favorite dishes effortlessly. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Sandwich griller. Offers unparalleled versatility, allowing you to enjoy perfectly grilled sandwiches with its sandwich maker gas feature, while doubling as a bread toaster for various toasting needs. This sandwich maker gas model ensures efficient cooking with its gas-powered design, providing a reliable bread toaster experience and doubling as a sandwich grill for evenly cooked meals. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Electric lunch box. 360 degrees steam circulation warms evenly, keeps food moist, and delivers fresh taste every time. 304 grade sealed bowls prevent spills, carry soups, curries, and liquid meals safely. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Grater. Sharp, etched stainless steel grating surface for fast, easy zesting and grating. Convenient cover keeps grating surface and hands protected when not in use. Non-slip foot provides control while grating. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Portable blender bottle. This 230W juice maker easily handles smoothies, shakes, baby food, juices, and more. The 6D stainless steel blades, with their sawtooth design, crush ice and blend ingredients smoothly, whether at home or on the go. A 6000 mAh battery gives you 15 to 20 blending sessions per charge. Recharge the smoothie maker in just 3 hours, 30% faster, with our lightning charge feature. One full charge makes up to 36 glasses of 330 ml drinks. It has never been easier to clean your juice blender. Just fill the portable juicer jar 2/3 full with water, add soap, press the button, and let it clean itself, quick and hassle-free so you can spend more time with your family. The portable juicer blender bottle will only work if the jar is set up correctly. The LED display shows battery charge level of the shaker mixer and a 40-second countdown timer. The 600 ml BPA-free blender mixer comes with a sipper lid, drink spout, and carry latch. The detachable bottom lets you take it as a bottle on the go, perfect for gym, school runs, or picnics. The carafe comes with clear measurement markings, making it easy to add the right amount of ingredients for perfect recipes every time. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Storage bag. Designed with a strong airtight seal, the storage bag protects grains, rice, flour, and dry foods from moisture, humidity, and pests, ensuring long-term freshness. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Butter box. Uplift your breakfast spread with this butter dish. Consisting of a drainer and a cover accented with a butter print for added appeal, it's perfect for storing in the refrigerator. The tall and deep design keeps your butter from sticking to the lid. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Vacuum cleaner. Combines vacuuming and mopping, delivering a complete cleaning solution in one device. This powerful 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner is ideal for everyday cleaning tasks at home. Designed to enhance cleaning efficiency, the Turbo Sweep feature ensures deep and fast cleaning, making this vacuum cleaner for home a perfect choice for busy households. This vacuum cleaner is equipped with a robust and energy-efficient 600W motor, paired with advanced Turbo Sweep technology for exceptional power in a compact design. It supports continuous usage of up to 15 minutes, with recommended 7 to 8 minute cooling breaks for optimal performance and longevity. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Tea infuser mug. The fine mesh allows easy adjustment of tea concentration, reduce unwanted leaves floating in your cup, allow water to move through tea leaves. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Steamer. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, steamer ensures uniform heat distribution and retains the authentic taste of South Indian idlis. The dual-tier design allows you to steam multiple batches at once. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Roti tawa. Hard anodized body with thick base of 4 mm for superior durability, even heating, and resistance to scratches, stains, and corrosion. Broad base ensures even heat distribution, helping rotis and chapatis cook faster and evenly. Stay cool, comfortable handle offer a firm grip for safe and convenient handling during cooking. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Peeler. Peels small fruits like grapes, cherry tomatoes, and berries in just 10 to 25 seconds with a fast electric peeling process. Perfect for quick meal prep and saving time in the kitchen. Features a 5-blade design for quick, even peeling. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Herb scissors. Use the scissors to cut various herbs, leafy vegetables. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Garmain steamer. Powered by 1300W with steam flow 20 grams per minute that soften the fabric and remove wrinkles. The effectively handheld Garmain steamer iron for clothes is ready to go. Water tank heats in 10 seconds and powers 10 to 20 continuous minutes of soothing steam. This clothes steamer with unique embedded energy-saving ball design makes your ironing more smoother and easier. Steamer for clothes is only steamer on the market with aromatherapy box. You can add any water-like essential oil you like. The aroma mix with the strong penetrating steam, it can make the fabrics are always accompanied by aroma. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Fermentation kit. Made from lead-free, clear and thick glass, the glass jar is safe to use. All equipment are of premium quality. The set includes 2 glass fermentation jars, 2 glass weights, 2 airlocks, 2 silicone grommet lids, extra lids for storage, sea salt 100 gm, fermentation guide and bonus recipe book. You just need this set to start your health journey. The fermentation jar with wide mouth and neck, you can easily get your hands inside to arrange vegetables. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Bamboo plate stand. Add the warm look of bamboo to your kitchen for a modern, clean look while maximizing your platform space. Kitchen dish drying rack for utensils provides the helping hand you need in the kitchen while keeping your decor theme in mind. This durable bamboo plate stand features 2 levels of racks for drying dishware, glasses, silverware and cutlery, kitchen utensils, and so much more to help you keep a tidy kitchen with ease. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Mocha pot. Works on both gas stoves and induction cooktops. Ideal for busy women who need flexibility without extra equipment. Brew a bold, rich cup of espresso right in your kitchen, while the kids nap, before the day begins, or during a quiet break between chores. It's not just coffee, it's a few minutes of calm, clarity, and comfort in the middle of a beautifully chaotic life. Because moms deserve more than just caffeine, they deserve a moment that's theirs. Premium aluminum heats quickly and evenly, perfect for rushed mornings. The cool touch handle and V-spout let you pour confidently without burns or mess, even when multitasking. Brew 4 to 6 cups in a space-saving 300 ml design that fits into small kitchens or travel bags. The wide mouth makes filling and cleaning a breeze because moms need quick, no-fuss solutions. This mocha pot makes a perfect present for birthdays, Mother's Day, or housewarmings. It's compact, elegant, and gives the gift of peaceful coffee moments. Product link is given in the 31st link.